Sayang, I want to show you something, okay? Okay, this is our long beans, okay? So, again, through nature, our Abba, the great I am, always educate and tell us something. Okay, this is your miracle pumpkin on this side. See the way this pumpkin hold, okay, the climbing stairs is using this that I terms as hands, So when they touch things that they can hold, they're gonna fix it, they're like hold it tightly, will not let it go. Okay, sayang, see. But different with these long beans, they don't have hands. Okay, I don't see their hands, but what they do, can you see, Celine? They use their body to hug. I would say the term hugging, make a circle around anything that they can hold for them to climb. They don't have hand, but they use their body, whatever that they have. See this one? So it is amazing, CelineSayang. See, this one start to make a circle around this line. So everything is a lesson for us as a human being. Okay, sayang, Celine? Okay, some lesson. See your miracle pumpkin on this side. They start spreading everywhere and going up. Okay, sayang, bye.